Oh, I saw your question in the email. Prepare a table of 3 solutions for the following function. So you're given this equation y equal 2/3 x minus 3, which I wrote out here. You want to let x be -3 and find the corresponding y value. And I guess once you fill this in, it's going to ask you to do this 2 more times. This is just the first of 3. So I've gone ahead and started it. I substitute the -3 in for x. And they've chosen real nice numbers. It's 2/3 times -3. You can put it over 1. The 3's are going to cancel here. 3 go into -3 minus 1 time. So they made a nice problem here. And so y equals 2 times -1 minus 3. So that you want to multiply and then subtract. And so the value of y is going to be -5. See, so the value of y is -5, and then you put it in here, and then you'll hit enter down here. Then you have to do this 2 more times, whatever value they give you for x. You put it here, and then you multiply it by 2/3 and subtract 3. Some calculators can handle fractions, so they can give you the answer real quick, depending on what kind of calculator, or I'm showing you how to do it by hand. Hope this helps.